Hello students, today we are going to write a letter to the newspaper editor complaining about the bad conditions of water supply in your locality. You are Prabhu Dayal living at H19 Dayalbagh Colony, New Delhi. All of you know that this is a kind of formal letter. So firstly we will write our address that is given in the question here. That you are Prabhu Dayal, H19, Dayal, New Delhi. So here H19, Dayalbagh Colony, New Delhi. After writing your address, what you should write? The second thing is the date. Here you will write today's date. So please don't leave this column blank. You have to write today's date here and the address of the receiver. Receiver means who is receiving the letter, to whom you are writing the letter. You are writing to the editor, Hindustan Times, New Delhi. See the question again here. Newspaper is there, so you can write any newspaper. Then subject. Subject is about what are you going to write in this letter. What is the main purpose of the letter? So our subject is bad Dayalbagh Colony. Then salutation. Sir, I would like to draw your kind attention of the concerned authorities through the column of your esteemed newspaper toward the problem of bad condition of water supply in Dayalbagh Colony. What is the purpose of writing the letter? That draw the attention, that please pay attention. Of whom's attention? The concerned authorities, means the authorities who are responsible for this. Through the column of your esteemed newspaper, means I am writing this in newspaper to draw the attention of concerned authorities. means जो authorities हैं मैं उनका ध्यान जो हूँ अपनी लोकेलिटी पर दिलवाना चाहता हूँ about the condition of bad water supply in Dayalbagh Colony. Most of the time the taps remain dry. Taps remain dry means there is no water. The supply is made only 2 hours in the morning and 1 hour in the evening. It means that there is water for 2 hours in the morning and 1 hour in the evening. Besides, the water is muddy and polluted, and the water that come in the morning, 2 hours in the morning and 1 hour in the evening is not clear. It is muddy and polluted. Muddy means उसमें मिट्टी आती है and it is polluted. Many residents fall sick. कि वहाँ के जो बहुत सारे residents हैं, रहने वाले लोग हैं, they fall sick. There are complaints of jaundice and loose motions after drinking this water. It means that people are suffering from diseases after drinking this water. In this connection, we have complained to the local authorities, but in vain. Therefore, request the higher authorities to look into this matter and take necessary actions immediately. What Prabhu Dayal is writing now? That he has complained to local authorities also, but in vain. Vain means there is no benefit of that complaint. So now he is requesting the other authorities to look into the matter and take action immediately. After that, thanking you, yours truly, Prabhu Dayal. Here you will write Prabhu Dayal only. Don't write your name because Prabhu Dayal is given in the question. So be careful.